Bengisakutshela
What is your name?
It's dangerous, eh?
Are you employed?
No, I'm not employed.
I am a serial representative. You are hired. Come, let's go. Here is the script. Mr. Director, 3, 2, 1, action.
Laba invite abantu aba-own ama-center wesira ne-private security. Kule program edila kakhulu ngokufundisa abantu ngezinto ze-marketing, boma-sales, business and strategy. Noma yini ezokusiza financially. Kuthi ukhule nge-skill as an entrepreneur ne-business ulrun successfully. Mara bathi for good to apply mele ukuthi bomuntu wangapho ne-business. Ena 2 years irun engandluli lo nyaka and the only South African citizens. Besakhethe register nesire nesimo right ise-business discipline. Kumele ngabi nabantu abandlula ne-20 basebenza phakathi ebhilidini. Ende bathi yavalwa le application kule nyanga ka-March nge-31. Ajasopa ibonile abaqualifyako le post bangathi abatsheliwanga. Phela kufani nokuthi ivelile le post yandlula masinye engasheriwanga. Ngale ndlela ivayeriwanga. Ngale ndlela iviral ngakhona ingavela ngakuwe nanoma ungathekiwanga. Le program enilethwela abantu bakasira yorana for inyanga ezi-12. If nami benginalo ibhizinisi elinjalo bengizovele apply myself, cause ngiyayizwa le program esponsored ila abantu bakasira is out of this world. So for more information mawufuna uku-apply thenga idatha ubacheke ku-net.
Cut, finished. Perfect the job. Pay this man.